Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I'm coming to you with this beautiful and whimsical DIY. If you want to see how I put these beautiful vases together, then keep on watching. The items that I use are all from the Dollar Tree. I'll be using this tall cylinder vase. I will also be using some satin ribbon. In this case, I'm using green for my upcoming project. You can use any color of your choice. I've already pre-cut them. I will also be using some gold bling wrap, some pearls, and this came in a wrap. I've had it for a while from the Dollarama. And I'm using these beautiful butterflies. They come 2 a pack, also from the Dollar Tree. I will be using the green one. So my first step is to apply the green ribbon using my hot glue gun to the center of the vase. Just add a dab of glue, wrap it all the way around till they meet, making sure that it's straight going around. And then you're just going to add another dab of glue to the very end of that and attach it. For the next step, I will be applying the bling ribbon, 2 strips of it, using my hot glue gun directly below the ribbon that I've already added. Just add a little dab of glue on the first part of it, and right where I started the first ribbon before, I'll be placing it beneath that and just taking it all the way around in the exact manner as I did the first time. Just making sure it's straight, and turn the vase as I go just to make sure everything is aligned. And I'm going to take it all the way around. In this case, I'm adding little dabs of glue as I go, unlike the ribbon, and then I'm going to take it all the way around until they meet. So this is what it looks like with both ribbons added so far, but I'm going to take it a step further and add a second piece of the green ribbon right below the bling, so that way we're sandwiching the bling ribbon. I will come back and show you what that looks like once I add it. And here it is with all the ribbons added. Isn't that cute? Now I'm just going to set that aside and let's move on to our next step. Remember this beauty that I showed you before? Okay, let's add some glam to it. It comes with this little wire inside of it. Just pull it and it will come right out. You will also need to be working on a hard surface for this because it is oh so very delicate, and you want to make sure that we are careful with doing it. So I'm going to use at first 3 pieces of the pearl, and I'm just going to add it to the very center of the butterfly. Remember to be very gentle with this because they are very fragile. So just lightly press it in with your fingers until it is securely adhered. And this is what it looks like so far with just the pearls added. But of course I'm going to take it a step further, and I'm going to add the gold bling, just 3 tiny dots on each pearl just to give it a little bit of a punch. Now that that's done, what I'll be doing next is using the same strand of bling wrap, and I'll just be using it to outline the wings of the butterfly all the way around using the hot glue gun. Now this is what it looks like, all glammed up in diamonds and pearls, if you will. Absolutely gorge. Let's move on to the next step. For this step, I am using another piece of the bling ribbon, and I have cut it 3 strands, and I have cut the bottoms at different lengths. I'll also be adding this, which I hadn't planned to in the beginning, but these are the little flower petals from the flower bling wrap. And again, I'll be using just 3 little pearls to add to that. Now I'll be using my hot glue gun and just attach the pearls and the flower petal to each end of the bling wrap. And this is what it looks like. Isn't this super cute? I really love them at different lengths. I think that would even make really cute earrings. What do you guys think? So now I'm just going to attach it to the vase itself, and then I will put my butterfly over it. And here it is, guys, securely attached using the hot glue gun. I also attached the very bottom parts of it just to make sure it would not move out of place. Now we're going to add our butterfly, and I'll come back and show you the final product. And here's the finished product. I've added some flowers, and I think it's just absolutely beautiful, just whimsical, and gives me a warm, fuzzy feeling on the inside. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me a comment and let me know how you like this DIY. If this is your first time seeing my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I'd love for you to become a part of the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you can be the first to know when I upload a video. And to all my beautiful and lovely Penny Pinchers, thank you so much for watching. Until the next video, this is your glamorous Penny Pincher Shalom is saying, love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.